Guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making me some Jamaican pasta salad in my kitchen the old-fashioned way where my grandmother and my mother teach me when I was growing up. So if you want to learn this delicious, mouth-watering and flavorful pasta salad recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, click that like button, and let's go ahead and make some easy, quick, and simple pasta salad. Let's go! So these are all the ingredients we are going to use to make my authentic Jamaican pasta salad. Over here, I have some black pepper, some salt. So these two, give you a little flavor and little taste. You don't want your pasta salad fresh and no taste at all. You get what I say? We don't want it fresh. No. Here, I have some mayonnaise. And I use 2 tablespoons of the mayo. Alright? Give it that little creamy little texture look. Alright? Here, I have 1 large carrot. I'm not peel it yet. I'm it clean up and everything, but me I go show you what I do with the carrot. Here so I have my rotelli pasta. You can use whatever pasta you have. You don't have to use this brand. This is what I have and this is what I am going to use. Alright? Use the pasta of your preference, your choice. Here so I have 2 cups of mixed vegetable. See it right here, sir? It is frozen. You can use the one in the can. Doesn't matter. As long as you have the mixed vegetable. So basically, this is what it looks like. Alright? Just take it out of the fridge. And basically, that's what you need to make it. These little ingredients plays a great role in making your pasta. So if you want to make pasta salad, let's go. So here some have my water. It a bubble up, as you can see, hot and ready. So now I am going to go in with my pasta, and I'm using half pot for the pasta. Alright. To that, because I don't want my pasta stick to my pot, I'm gonna add some vegetable oil, and I'm using a little bit of the vegetable oil. When I go over the week, we're going to just add a little bit of salt. Alright? That is it. Give it a stir. So nothing stick to the pot. Alright? And we are going to allow that to cook roughly 10 to 15 minutes. So make it cook done and go on with itself. So meanwhile the pasta over this are cook. I'm going to go here so and add mixed vegetable. Oops. Careful, alright? Just add the licorice. All of the mixed vegetable is added to the pot. Give it a stir. Make sure all of the ice and everything come off right. So what we are going to do now, we are going to let this for roughly 10 minutes. Yeah? So see you soon. Make it cook. Go on with itself as well. See you guys soon. So guys, I come back to check for me macaroni and it's go on with itself. Let me give you that little look, and it's coming on perfectly fine, as you can see. Look at that. It's a bubble up. And we have a little bit more minutes on the timer, and there goes our mixed vegetable. Let's check it. Everything looking super good. It's coming on. All the ice, as you can see, it's boiled off. So yes, we have roughly 2 minutes left on the timer for this one. Yes, and we are back, and as you can see, the water is drying up. So guess what? We're going to give it a taste test, and look how flexible the pasta is. It is cooked. So what we're going to do, turn our stove off and let's check on our vegetable as well. turn the stove off, and ready to move on to the next process. All right, so what we're going to do now is drain our pasta off. To my bowl, I'm gonna go in with adding my pasta. Up next, we're going to strain this off. There you have it, all cooked, washed off, and it is looking also delicious. Cannot wait to begin. So let's move on to the next process. Let's go. All right, so now to all of that, I'm going in with my mixed vegetable. Now we're going to give it a toss around. I just want to make sure so everything is well combined. I'm going now with my mayonnaise. Give that a stir. If you want to add more mayo, you can go ahead and do so, okay? But I am not going to add any more because this is looking oh so good already. Doesn't need no more mayo. I don't want it to be any more creamier. It is good. All right, I am going in with my ground black pepper. You just want to sprinkle a little bit, not too much. Yeah, and that is perfect. Go ahead now and give it that mix again. The smell of black pepper smells really good. OMG. Let me now give it a little taste and see how good it is and see if I want to add salt or anything else. Let's give it a taste test. Just a little salt to give it a little taste, all right? So we're just gonna sprinkle a little salt over it. Just a little bit of the salt, and that is good. Mix up that bad boy. At this point, you want to make sure it is well mixed up. You don't want the salt to be in one part of the pasta. You want it to be well combined, okay? Let's give it a taste test again. Perfect. OMG, perfect. Now we are going to leave this for like a little minute. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next process. So let's go. Now what I'm going to do is we are going to peel and clean up our carrot, all right? This plays an important role in our pasta, but if you don't want to add carrot to yours, it is up to you, okay? All right, so my carrot finish shredding, making sure it is all cleaned up to put in our pasta salad. Take a closer look. Yes. So if you don't want to add carrot in your pasta salad, you don't have to put it in it. All right, it is optional, but you know, this give it a nice buzz. Yeah, that's what we term or we use a Jamaican when it's food sell off. They give it a nice buzz. All right, look at it. So let's move on to the next process. And we are back, and my carrot is washed off and ready to grater. All right, we didn't use all of our carrot. We just take a little bit off of it. All right. I'm going to mix everything up. So now that we add our carrot to our pasta salad, I want to go ahead and give it a taste test with everything inside of it. Let me give it a taste test. Carrot, mixed vegetable, and everything. Hold up. Guys, this recipe is a must try in your kitchen. I'm telling you, it is A1. OMG, this is everything, yo. Not gonna lie, this recipe is soul off. And voila, there you have it, my authentic Jamaican pasta salad in my kitchen, the real Jamaican way. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn your post notification button on so you don't miss out any video that I post. Comment and let me know how much you would rate this recipe, and also comment and let me know if you give it a try in your kitchen. This is your girl Jody. Have a beautiful day. Stay safe. Bye guys.